Good evening everyone. Today we are going to run through some of the best webinar marketing platforms which will give you big support to lead your meeting, conference, conduct training and taking academic classes. Webinar give you more chances to build closer relationship with your audience. Demu is one of the best webinar platform today, while many others are outdated and fail. Demu features: stay registered on series, allow people to register once and for ongoing series. Then private chat, people can send private messages in Demu. Branded registration page, to keep things consistent with your brand, you can register in a page. Live replies, automatic replies of your webinar to build email list. Now, who is Demu for? Marketers who want a dedicated webinar tool with automated replies but put more emphasis on these live events. Zoom is a general video conferencing tool that caters for business meetings, conference and dedicated webinar solution, and it's come to the low price at cost. Zoom features: interactive, up to 100 interactive video participants with large panel of speakers. Integration: broadcast your webinar to Facebook Live and YouTube. Controls: mute and unmute participant, full control over. Closed captioning: provide text to the hearing problem audience or who has unmute audience. ClickMeeting is another dedicated webinar tool and offer pretty much all the feature you would expect. ClickMeeting features: sub-account, assign webinar duties to different individual team. Customization, customized individual or invitation, branded webinar and waiting rooms. Recordings, record your webinar, download and share with whoever you want. Engagement, engage viewers with dynamic presentation, whiteboard, video and live chat. Who is ClickMeeting for? Serious webinar marketers should definitely give a try at this webinar platform. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and in my next videos I will show each and every platforms how to work individually with them. Before that and before I leave, if you are new here, please do subscribe and put comments and share with friends. Thank you very much.